Okay, once you are on your inbox, okay, get to the email address you want to block. All right, we're going to do two steps here, two methods here. So let me use this PayPal for this. Okay, as first, click on that email you got from the website. Okay, then what you need to do is click on the three dots by this side and you will see some options. Select block PayPal communications. All right. So you will see this notification here. Click on block. Once you do that, you will stop receiving email from this no reply at communications dot this. All right. But you see, the website here is paypal.com. Are you getting it? So this other tests here are attached to this website, paypal.com, meaning that this website, for example, can generate another email address like support at paypal.com or contact at paypal.com, so that you block this particular email address does not block the website totally. All right. Okay, let me take you back so that you see another email I got from this PayPal again. All right, you can see this is service at paypal.com. So I can't keep on blocking all these email from this website one after the other. So let's devise a lasting solution to stop this. All right, so that anything coming from paypal.com will not enter this email address. All right, so how do we do that? The first step you need to take is to click on these three dots. Now, from these options, select filter messages like this. You can see here from service at this is selected. So click here and delete this. I have only paypal.com. That is website you want to block in this case. Okay. Then you get down to this section and then you click on create filter. And now you're given these options. Click on check this box that says delete it. All right. And then click on create filter. And with this, you will stop receiving email coming from a website, paypal.com.